Happy Friday. Yes, I'm back in the grocery store. This should be our last day in the grocery store of getting something. By the time y'all see this, the storm will be over with. So, but it's still supposed to be a storm coming. Hold on, y'all. Here it is, Mom. Do you still want to wait?
How much are they?
That's why I was asking.
Yeah,
when
no, I'm not going nowhere. This is it.
We're getting the rest of the.
Grilled cheese.
Yeah, I saw it the other day.
They're probably good.
And they got a salted caramel.
That's all good.
We're getting the last few items that we need to complete our meals. So we're back at the pig. Since I started vlogging, this is about the most we ever came to this place. We literally getting like some eggs, chips, oil, not too much or nothing. But I did just get off of work. It is. I'm playing my game. Hold on. Team. No, I thought we get that shredded thing.
We do, but will you see it?
It's gonna be over there.
But you need this for
Oh yeah, we're just gonna do that. I just got off work, and yeah, we at the grocery store. After the store, we're going to the house, and Mama.
Don't look at me.
Mama is cooking hamburgers and homemade. I mean hamburgers. Girl, what you cooking tonight? Oh, she cooking hot wings and potato salad, y'all. So y'all stay tuned for that. Do y'all want a recipe on how she do her hot wings? They not really hot wings. They really barbecue. That's what we call them. It's kind of like barbecue spicy. So we can call it sweet and spicy now. We can call them sweet and spicy hot, wings. Cause they be sweet and they be spicy. Girl, she acting like I'm slow or something. So it's okay. Y'all.
You seem roasted.
They already roasted. Honey. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna see y'all in just a minute.
I just saw it. It was like the same.
Now we about to go to the wrong truck. That's your older version.
Oh, I forgot I got a new version.
Yeah, we know
Oh my God.
left out of Piggly Wiggly to spend $80 again. Talking about we weren't making a lot of groceries. Girl.
That was to finish some meals up though.
Girl, bye.
I just keep forgetting I got a new model truck, baby.
And then she gonna tell me we was at the she was going to the right vehicle. We went the wrong darn vehicle, child. She trying to get me up in the caught up. I'm gonna put I ain't finna break these things. We finna put them up here. She ain't gonna even let me in the truck. She going to the wrong darn vehicle.
It's the same color. I forgot I got a newer model truck.
Jesus Christ.
He upgraded me. My bad.
All right, y'all. All right, y'all. We back at the crib. We about to bring the groceries in, and then we going back out to take some stuff back to Amazon. I got a potty, y'all. Ooh. All right. Headed to take this stuff back to Amazon, and then we're back at the crib. Ooh, let's go. Alright, y'all. Just made it to Whole Foods where I take my packages for Amazon. Let's see if the elevator's working today. It may not be. Whew. I might be up here again Wednesday because I ordered something else. I don't know if it's gonna work out for me. Let me pull up my codes.
And it be crazy that motherfuckers be having this thought in their mind that they're gonna be like this, but in reality,
Good, how y'all doing? Have your code pulled up? I'm good. Oh, I didn't mean for you to sit here. I have to sit there down.
what you understand what I'm saying?
Uh-huh.
You see that again. Never do you see?
Uh-huh.
You go to the rest of that.
You too. Yeah, have a good one. All right, Sean. All right, y'all. We headed back downstairs. And I don't know if Mama going to get some gas or not. She said she needs some gas, but I don't know if she's going to get some or not. Let me step back in case somebody's standing here. I hate when that happens. I don't care. All right, so we're headed out the door. Either to get some gas or to the crib. Hey, vlog. YouTube. Baby, they love the vlog up in here, honey. All right, y'all. I'll see y'all when we get to the crib. Oh, y'all. I'm tired. We just got back to the crib. I am taking a day off from walking. And I'll make up tomorrow. I'm going to take my hair down tonight. I'm tired of the hair. Tired of the hair. Baby. So, I'm going to go take me a shower. I'm also about to go ahead and start washing, just in case. So I can have everything that I need washed up. I'm gonna let y'all watch Mama cook. Or should I go live? I think I'm gonna go live while Mama cook. Yup. I think I'm gonna go live. I need to charge my phone up. I need to charge my power banks up so I can have that just in case. So I'm gonna see y'all. After I take a shower. Oh, I'm gonna see y'all. Actually, I'm gonna be back when I have my plate ready. Cause I'm about to go in my room and watch some TV. I'm tired. Alright, y'all. This is the final product of the meal. I did start recording, but y'all get the gist. This is my mouth is watering so bad. We call them hot wings, but they're actually barbecue wings with hot sauce added in there. And if you watched my previous vlog, when we went to the grocery store, we tried a new hot sauce. Mama did put those in there. Mama did add that hot sauce in mine. I also had warmed up the baked beans that we had the other day to go with my potato salad, because why not? I do have my ranch on the side and a Coke. I am also watching Traders while I eat. I'm on episode 2, I believe. But yeah, it's actually good. This is not my first time watching this. I watched it a couple of seasons ago. I didn't watch the last season, but I said, let me just go ahead and try it out. But I'm watching it and I'm actually enjoying it. So I'm about to eat my food and I'm gonna talk to y'all tomorrow. If nobody told you that God loves you, I love you. I'll see you. Peace.